Honorable Governor of Tripura and Nagaland, Shri P.B. Acharya, has persuaded universities of Mumbai, Karnataka, Manipal and Delhi to launch certificate courses on Kokborok language of Tripura, Angami language of Nagaland, Adi language of Arunachal Pradesh and Khasi language of Meghalaya from the 26th of January 2015. This was declared by the Governor himself in a press conference held in Tripura's Raj Bhavan on the 11th of November. Besides, the Governor has also persuaded universities to include special chairs on inspiring personalities of the Northeast like Rani Gadailu, U. Tirot Singh, etc.
All these four universities have agreed from January 26 to start a department or a chair in the name of Inspiring Personality of Northeast. Mumbai University will start a chair in the name of Rani Ma Gaidinilu, a great patriot from Nagaland. Everyone might have heard it. And another university from Meghalaya's great leader, U. Tirot Singh. Like that, from Tripura leader, tribal leader, Meghalaya leader, then our Arunachal, Dai Ngering. Every university will open up a chair for tribal dialects, study of tribal dialects. Under Academy for Indian Tribal Dialects, 4 universities have agreed on 26 January it will start.
The Honorable Governor is just back from a 10-day trip to Atlanta, USA, where he mooted the idea of having exchange programs between students and officials of Atlanta with their counterparts in the Northeast. The Governor urged people of Tripura to promote Kokborok. It is interesting to note here that the people of the state, both tribal and non-tribal, have been holding Kokborok Day, apart from other functions and book fairs, to promote this indigenous language of the state. Eating each other's food is a great way of bonding and getting to know one another. This fact is evident from every food stall wherein we can see people from different states enjoying the cuisines which are not their own. In Manipur, the 6-day-long annual Chinjak International Food Festival, which took place from the 6th to the 11th of November, was another occasion wherein the bonding was visible. This year, many international participants participated, along with 40 participants from different tribes of the state. The fact that most of these participants have been participating in the festival during previous years also proves that Northeast people are open to trying cuisines from other states and countries, and also that foreigners are not averse to visiting the Northeast for holiday or business. People of the state enjoyed the food festival.
Our objective is to preserve, promote and produce all the indigenous and traditional foods of Manipur at a global standard. And we are looking forward, to promote this very local foods to, we are trying to insert it into the 5 stars menu as well.
The ongoing India International Trade Fair in New Delhi has opened many vistas for our artisans. Our report.
The 34th India International Trade Fair held in New Delhi's Pragati Maidan from the 14th to the 27th of November brought in lakhs of visitors every day and thus gave the participating states of the Northeast too a wide platform to showcase their traditional crafts. The business opportunities offered was immense as both direct sales to customers and bulk orders for future trade with big Indian and foreign companies came their ways. The Meghalaya Pavilion, for instance, has received huge orders from foreign companies for their cane and bamboo items. The state also brought in its famous organic turmeric, artificial flowers, etc.
तो ह्यूज क्वांटिटी का हम लोगों को मतलब ऑर्डर मिला हुआ है, जैसा कि फॉरेन कंट्री का भी आया है, कोई फॉरेन कंट्री उन लोग भी मतलब वो किया है, हम लोग का साथ में कांटेक्ट किया है। उन लोग नेक्स्ट मंथ में हमारा शिलोंग में आ रहा है, शिलोंग में आके उन लोग कांटेक्ट करेगा, उसके बाद में सामान कैसा क्या करना है नहीं करना है, बस वो करके लेके जाएगा।
Theme Pavilion Assam, which has won the Best Pavilion award in the last 2 years, is trying for a hat-trick by winning this year too. Apart from the famous Assam tea, including both CTC and green tea, the pavilion with 37 stalls offered beautiful water hyacinth products, including colorful bags, purses, pen stands, etc. A waste product found abundantly in the waters of the region, water hyacinth has given livelihood to many rural artisans of the state.
रिस्पॉन्स तो इसका बहुत अच्छा है। बहुत लोग इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं इसके ऊपर काम करने से। जो घर में बैठे थे ऐसे ही कुछ भी काम नहीं करते थे, खास करके जो महिलाएं घर पे रहती थी वो लोग घर पे भी ऐसे काम करते हैं और बहुत मुनाफा भी होता है।
Another item which attracted many to the Assam pavilion was its Muga and Mulberry silks, along with display of how silk is woven right from cocoon stage to yarn to cloth and its dyeing.
सबको मालूम है फिनिश प्रोडक्ट का है, मुगा साड़ी कपड़ा क्लॉथ इसमें, लेकिन प्रोसेस उसका नहीं आता है, कैसे प्रोसेस होता है, इसलिए हम लोग डिस्प्ले कर रहा है, आपको पूरा जानकारी दे रहा है, दिखा रहा है कैसे। और हम लोग का मशीन 2 है, एक मुगा का मशीन है, एक एरी का मशीन है। ये फुल्ली कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री का है। असम में पूरा गांव शहर में इसको इंडस्ट्री में इन्वॉल्व है। ये पार्ट टाइम भी जॉब है, किसी को इसको फुल टाइम भी जॉब है। इसमें हम लोग का इकोनॉमिक बहुत डिपेंड करता है।
Manipur too brought in its famous handloom items aplenty. Apart from woolens, knitted shoes, etc. Many national awardees from the state put up stalls during the fair. From Nagaland, the dry flowers and woolen jackets and shawls were big draws as usual, whereas from Tripura, the many items made out of cane and bamboo, including usable household items, found many takers.
त्रिपुरा उसमें स्टेडियम में हूँ और काफ़ी अच्छा सामान है, लकड़ी का पूरा घर सेट से लेके बाहर के लिए भी अच्छा काफ़ी सामान है एंड जूट का सामान है। द बेस्ट इज़ दैट, सो आई रियली लाइक्ड इट, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। बाकी और स्टेडियम से ये ज़्यादा इसलिए अच्छा लगा बिकॉज इसमें घर का भी सामान है और चेयर्स वेयर्स भी हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
The trade fair was graced by Union Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh on the 18th of November, who attended a demonstration by the National Disaster Response Force on quick response in hypothetical earthquake condition. The Home Minister warmly praised the great efforts made by the personnel of the disaster mitigation forces and announced a new National Service Medal for them. The NDRF has till date saved over 4,22,000 lives, including many people in Assam and Meghalaya during floods.
NDRF और NDMA के उत्कृष्ट कार्य को देखते हुए मैंने यह फैसला किया है कि हमारे NDRF के जितने भी जवान हैं उनको एक डिजास्टर रेस्पॉन्स मेडल दिया जाना चाहिए, जिसका कि 2 दिन पहले ही मैंने अनुमोदन कर दिया। कितनी धनराशि खर्च होगी इसकी यहां पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहता हूं, लेकिन यदि फैसला किया है कि डिजास्टर रेस्पॉन्स मेडल अपने जवानों को देना है NDRF से जुड़े हुए, तो यह मेडल सारे जवानों को उपलब्ध कराया जाए।